Hi Mark, this is your replacement one. And I just wanted to show you what I found. It's plugged in through a mono lead into the side plug on my Acre at the moment. It's all switched on. Now if I click this all the way in like that, you can probably hear it buzzes, much in the same way that your demo video did. And if I trigger the actual sound, I'll just do it on the button on here for now. And it's very, very, very faint. It's almost like not there. So if I just take this out a tiny bit, just like that, you can probably just see there's a tiniest gap there. And then I play it again. It's absolutely fine. So I don't know if possibly there's an issue with leads. I haven't got a stereo lead to hand at the moment because this is the mono lead I sort of normally personally use, so I don't know if it's an issue with going into the side port. I know that your other one works absolutely fine, which is bizarre, but if I put this into the top headphone jack port, okay, it's going to be a bit loud now. You can probably hear the amount of hiss, so I'll just crank the volume down and turn the volume down on there. It's fine, and that is pushed all the way. That is all the way in. It can't go any further. Obviously there's a lot of hiss on there because it's, I guess, going through the microphone input, and there's more than enough volume if you can live with that amount of hiss. But I don't know, maybe it's just something to do with the Acre system. It's really bizarre. I certainly don't mind sending this one out, which I'm going to do in the next post anyway. But this, as you can hear, is working fine. If rather loud at the moment when it's in the headphone jack. So I'll just put it back into the side jack just for the purposes of this. So that's plugged all the way in, and you can hear. Obviously I haven't touched the other end of it. And there's a bit of a buzz as you demoed on yours, and if I push the button to make it do something, nothing really happens. If I just pop this out, just one click, the buzz has gone away, and I push the button again. Okay, yeah, I cranked the volume right down. Let's try that again. There you go. So yeah, I just tapped that and it sort of came back. So I don't know, it may be something to do with the Acres and stereo. Maybe it needs a stereo plug on that end or something. I don't know if you're using a stereo or a mono lead, but it's a bit of a weird one. And it has still got plenty of volume when you turn the volumes and things up. But I'm guessing in your scenario, in a Gamo costume, you're probably not going to be actually talking through a microphone, so you're probably as well to go in through the input at the top. I'm really, really sorry that it's taken so well. We're still trying to get your second system up and running. I'm quite baffled, to be absolutely honest, but hopefully, this is the one that's going to go to you in the post very, very shortly. So I'm really hoping that this sorts you out. All right, mate. Cheers.